Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to. So today I'll be teaching you on how you can create blog section in Wix. So first is you have to go to your editor settings. Then from there, you'd be able to see these options at the left side. So now just click on pages and menu. Then from there, just click on the add page at the bottom. And then just click on the blog option. Okay, now you just have to click on add Wix blog and then you just have to wait for a few seconds until you can finally add the blog section on Wix. Okay, so after that, you can now start editing the blog section by clicking on the three dots and then click on settings. Then from here, you be able to see the page info, layout, permissions, and etc. Okay, so that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.